Uniform rules are ableist. There, I said it. Because of my physical disability, I struggle to get dressed. I can't move this hand at all. This hand is really weak and I can't lift my arms up higher than this, so doing buttons, zippers, pulling things over my head, tucking things in can be difficult or impossible. The high school I went to required uniforms and they were very inaccessible to me. The skirts had a zipper on the side and built-in shorts, and we had to tuck our shirts into the skirt. The built-in shorts meant that I couldn't just lift the skirt up every time I needed to go to the bathroom, so I had to get the shorts removed. I also usually can't tuck in shirts, and I can never do zippers, so my mom would have to help me tuck my shirt into the skirt and then zip it up for me. Which, thankfully, once we removed the shorts, I could just then leave it like that all day. In the winter, we were also required to wear blazers, and I was not able to put my blazer on by myself. So I got an accommodation to not have to wear the blazer, which my school was cool about, but they were very picky about what I wore instead of the blazer. I started wearing a school-branded sweatshirt over my uniform in the winter, and they were not happy about that. I would have teachers and staff on my case about it every day. So I had to have my occupational therapist write the school a note explaining that I couldn't put the blazer on by myself and my medical condition makes me get really cold. So I needed to have an alternative to the blazer, and so I needed to be allowed to wear the sweatshirt. Then they finally conceded. Another instance of uniform trouble I experienced was when I volunteered at a hospital in high school. We were required to wear a polo shirt and khaki pants. I searched and searched for khaki pants that didn't have buttons and zippers and that also fit me and didn't find anything. Ended up having to go with khaki pants that had a button and zipper and just hope that I didn't really need to use the bathroom. I volunteered for 6 hours a day and I would usually go to the bathroom once during lunch and just leave the button and zipper done and hope that I could pull the pants up and down. Most of the time I could, but it would take forever and really hurt my hand. So I was never comfortable while I was volunteering because I was always just thinking about how I felt stuck in my outfit. My mood actually would have been improved if I was wearing something that was accessible to me. We need more accessible school and work clothing. It's difficult, if not impossible, to find because a lot of these pieces have a very tailored look, so they usually have buttons and zippers. And in the meantime, I think our expectations for how people dress for school and work should be less stringent.